All right, it is Friday, January 22nd. New video. CODX. Let's continue on these stocks, small caps, maybe a little bit higher. They've been hot. The market is insanely hot. Just watching CNBC, they said retail traders. They talked to a lot of these firms, and trading's like the all-time high now. Penny stocks, chat rooms, and Reddit have been like pumping these stocks. They're saying, I believe it now. A lot of these stocks are moving. Somewhat news, no news. It's absolutely crazy. All right, so let's start with CODX. Float 26 million, short growth minus 10%, market cap 335 million. I see insider 6%, institutions 27%. No debt. That's incredible if they have no debt. That's what it says here. All right, manufacturing, marketing, diagnostics, technology, equipment and research solutions, founded by Brett C. Setterfield and Dwight H. Egan, April 18th, 2013, headquarters in Salt Lake City, Utah. 100,000 sells, no buys. All right, let's go to FinViz. CODX. Now they have 27 million income, 47 million sales, 26 million float. Okay. CODX stocks on an uptrend are strong financials guiding the markets. It's simply Wall Street. No news before that. Manufacture and sell reagents used for diagnostic tests that function via the detection or analysis of nucleid and molecules. All right. This came about 2017. This was like five-ish. Dropped down 2019. Looks like about 70, 80 cents. Then the big move up with COVID. You can see here 2019 went down, went down, went down. Big bounce 2020. Look at this January, February. Big wick. Found this line here. Looks like the 8 line. Then we exploded up. Shooting star 30. Fell back to it again. Look, see the 8 line. It's an important line there. Daily. See right here. So the trend was bouncing, bouncing. Then we had a huge drop from 30 to 8. So this 8 line is very important. Back in March, April, now September. And then here, let's see here. Over to 16 line. I tried to bounce in November. We're sort of going down now. We're just back and forth. Went as low as 10 to 9. So not much is going on here. It's just fading back. You want to get over this 12 and then back to that 16. Then there's a gap. 1955. So we go here to here and fill that gap. That could happen eventually. Got to think with the market and positivity of news that it can happen. So I like this a lot. Future. If it comes back to 8 again, that could be a buy. So just watch where it is now. Not much going on right now. All right. NEPT. Float 113 million, market cap 255 million, cash 6 million, 12% insiders, institutions 19%. It's a little bit low, not that bad though. Current debt 3.4 million. That's pretty good. All right, the diversified health and wellness company, lifestyle brands. What else they say here? Bring new products to the market, mass retail partners, e-commerce. It's founded by Henry Harlan, October 9th, 1998, headquartered in Laval, Canada. See no insiders. Check FinViz. My phone here. All right, it doesn't list any income or sales. They have 96 million float. Canada, Ontario, invest in community recreation infrastructure in Toronto. Lifestyle brands under Forest Remedies, Ocean Remedy brands. What else do they do? They do purification services from cannabis, hemp biomass, omega 3. All right. There's a lot of different spaces here. So we go back to 2007. And it's bounced all the way up to 7, came back all the way to, like 25 cents. We're back and forth for years, high to low. Just put some big bounces. You can see right here, though, this 550 line is very big because that was the line. That was the line back in 2007-8. See that? Came back again this year or 2019. Here's the weekly. Came all the way back to 1, shot up to 350. All right, on the daily. So the daily just peaked at 650. Look at that. In 2019, this came way down here. That's a big falling wedge or really tight channel until we get the all important 1 level. And then it's bounced. Look at this. The 350 came back. Now it's holding this 150 level. That's important. Yeah, if this comes back again below 175, it could test 150 again. So that's a good stop. Otherwise, it's looking like another big channel down. Yeah, this gets news. This could explode up 250. So I would look for 250, well, 2 plus, and then 250 to 350 on that line there. That's a big line. So it's hovering in between now. Nothing much going on. All right, CURI, 15 million float, short growth 135%, market cap 763 million. No cash really, 46% insiders, 18% institutions. No debt, which is good. Looks like it's overvalued. See that? The media and entertainment company offers video programming across principal categories: factual entertainment, science, history, society, nature, lifestyle, technology. It's founded by John S. Hendricks, June 6, 2008, headquartered in Silver Spring, Maryland. No insider information. And let's see here on FinBiz what they say. There's so many IPOs coming out, SPACs and all this, big merger companies. It's out of control. Income minus 080 million. Sales 34.95 million. Float 6.86 million. No news in this recently. Media entertainment company, FinBiz says. Platforms as well as bundle content licenses, bulk sales, partnerships, content sales. All right, so I have here 2019. This came out. It's pretty much flat for a year. Then we start to move October. And you can see here this moved all the way to 12, then back to this 825 line. Then the high get lower. And this one right here, nice little triangle. My back. Mouse got stuck. All right, so see this? Your high getting lower, lower, lower. That is a triangle, descending triangle. And we broke above. And look at this, 13 above 20 EMA, 10 all the way to 20. Big gap ups. Every gap up and then even the red days, it's done nothing. It's bounced back. Till we get now, we're coming back a little bit. This falls back. Look for 16 to hold. The 1320 EMAs right there. And, plus 20. This breaks 20. It's on a big, big run. Yeah, I don't like it up here. A stock gets run this far. You're playing in bounces. Eventually, it's going to put in one big bearish day. So, got to be careful of that. All right, Vuzi. $38 million float. Market cap 527 million. Insiders 10%, institutions 26% owned. Current debt 3.18 million. Supplier of smart glasses and augmented reality technologies for enterprise markets, consumers, as wearables. Firm also holds 179 patents and patent pending numerous IPO licenses for video eyewear field. Wow. Has offices in Rochester, New York, Oxford, UK, Tokyo, Japan. Company was founded by Paul J. Travers, 1997, headquartered in West Heredia, New York. 420,000 buys, no sells. Minus 26 million income sales, 9.3 million. Float 38 million on Finbiz. Vuzi M4000 smart glasses, a construction worksite audit via DJI drone. Available smart glasses, Hippo Technologies. Just reading here, see what Finbiz has to say. It's all kind of wearable displays. Eyewear, augmented reality. All right, let's look at the monthly. So we have here 2010, 8. This went all the way to 22. Back and forth. This went, it kept getting lower. Found 2. Bounced up to near 10. Bounced below 2. And here we are today with big volume coming in. So it looks like there's a big stop here at 2. Longer term. This has hit 2 many times. And then where it's at right now, it's like the all-time high, 12. Or not the all-time high, but that 12 line. You see this here? This 12 line, 2010, 2011 has hit this a few times, bounced again. So we're in a big channel, and we're at the top of this channel. It looks like it's breaking out to, the highest it's been, except that tall wick. Now you had a wedge here. See this? Again, the falling wedge. I could draw it a little bit tighter. See it? Wide, tight, tight. When you have explosion out. Now this one sort of grinded out too at the 3, step by step. And you can put in your lines right here. You can see exactly what it's doing. See right here. Once I get above this 3 line, bounced again. Then there's the 5 line. Touched it many times, almost 1, 2, 3. And then we broke up. Now, when you're buying these two, how do you know it's going to break out? An ascending triangle, touched almost 1, 2. Sometimes it's 2, sometimes it's 3, sometimes it's 4 plus that it'll hit this line eventually break out. You don't know for sure. But when you see this doing this and see the loading go down, that's your sign it's very good, like right here. And you can see the market too. Look at the overall market was picking up. A lot of these are breaking out. It's another key sign. If it was different market, like a lot of them tried and failed, that would be a difference. So the market is big right now on these, pushing these long with penny stock traders, I guess, and news. So this moved to 5. Ice moved 11. Consolidation, and then we moved up to where we're at now, 12. Big day today. And it's really found 1 p.m. and then, bounce back and forth. It's a tougher day trade if you weren't looking at it like the normal pattern, but it did pop. So, at this point, you want to stay above 12. It does come back. You want 9 to hold this level, maybe even below to 8. It really has a pullback. So look for that 12 move to hold, or even see, it might even put in a big candle here and pull back. We'll see next week. It's on a big run, so got to be careful with them big runs. Let's see here. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Heyman Trades on YouTube. Hit that like button. Smash that like button. TradeIdeas.com, referral. Twitter, Mike Frank 007. TikTok, Mike Frank III. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Twits. Mike came in trades, hit it, putting out these videos, penny stocks. No one else is doing this. They're putting out their big gains, but are they putting out videos helping you looking for buy sell levels? Probably a lot of them don't even know buy sell levels, trend lines. They don't even know what they're talking about. A lot of these people. All right, so that's it. We're out.